Good day, everyone. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about Torso Mid-Need Split, the multi-zone introduction. Meanwhile, I also provide the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your reference. This sharing device into these 5 parts. Moreover, I provide the corrected subtitle just for your better understanding. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. What is split multi-zone? Like I just compare with split single zone. So you can find that for single zone, there is only one outdoor unit and one indoor unit that just connect with the copper tube. Very easy, right? And for the split multi-zone, one outdoor unit can connect to multi indoor units. In this case, there are 3. So the wiring also the same. You need to put the communication wire between the indoor and outdoor. So the benefit for this one it is we can save the outdoor unit installation space. And the next is we can higher the efficiency, especially when there is only 1 or 2 indoor units operate. The purpose it is this 1 or 2 indoor unit we will use whole size of the outdoor unit, and that makes the performance to be extremely high. And the third is we can lower the installation cost because there's only one outdoor unit. And for the indoor unit cycle, they are completely the same as the single zone. For the indoor unit types, you can choose, for example, console, ductile, floor ceiling, cassette, and also available to the wall mounted. For the wall mounted, you can also choose the Pula, Lomo, and Chamo. And which is according to your require, we can make this option for you to choose. Actual Y operating range. First is the outdoor ambient. You can find that either for the cooling or the heating. This multi-zone, we can make it until minus 30 degrees Celsius. And for the upper limit for cooling, it's 48. For the heating, 24. As for the power supply, you can find it is single phase 200 volt plus minus 10%. Within this range, it is available. That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question, feel free to contact me on my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access for this presentation sharing. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。